Introducing a highly anticipated OnePlus 12, featuring the revolutionary Beau X1 display and Qualcomm's cutting-edge 8th Gen 3 chipset. In a world of ever-evolving technology, the OnePlus 12 sets itself apart with a 6.83-inch screen that's truly immersive. Unlike its predecessors, the OnePlus 12 boasts a center-hole punch selfie camera for a unique and stunning look. This device also retains the iconic alert slider on the left and the IR blaster on the top, showcasing OnePlus's commitment to both style and functionality. While other smartphone manufacturers opt for flat designs like Google's Pixel, Xiaomi, and even Samsung, the OnePlus 12 maintains its signature curved edge finish. This design choice distinguishes it from the crowd and offers a fresh perspective in a sea of flat designs. The result is an aesthetic that appeals to those who appreciate the beauty of a curved display. The OnePlus 12's display is powered by the Beau X1 panel, which boasts an impressive 2K resolution and is complemented by the Oppo P1 display chip. With a brightness level exceeding 2600 nits, it's exceptionally vivid and power efficient. The color sharpness and vibrancy of the display surpass even the Samsung S23 Ultra, creating a visually stunning experience that's a true treat for the eyes. In exciting news from reliable sources, it has been revealed that the ONEPLUS 12's design may differ slightly from the renders we've seen. Additionally, the camera setup is nothing short of remarkable. The primary sensor is expected to be the Sony IMX9 series with a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 64-megapixel periscope zoom camera capable of 3 lossless zoom and an impressive 120 software zoom. This powerful camera system is further enhanced by Hasselblad's color science, ensuring that every shot you take is a masterpiece. But that's not all. The OnePlus 12 comes equipped with a substantial battery, supporting both fast wired and wireless charging solutions. With Qualcomm's Cortex-X4 as the main processor, you can expect unparalleled power and energy efficiency. Paired with an improved ISP and still based on TSMC's cutting-edge process, this device outshines its predecessor, offering a 15% boost in CPU performance and a hopping 40% improvement in GPU capabilities compared to the 8th Gen 2. In conclusion, the OnePlus 12 emerges as a powerhouse, combining top-of-the-line specifications and a remarkable camera system. With its unique design, advanced display technology, and incredible performance, the OnePlus 12 is sure to captivate smartphone enthusiasts and quickly become a bestseller in the market. Stay tuned for the official unveiling of this groundbreaking device.